Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. Today we are going to discuss regarding the shortcut for multiplying two numbers, both of which are close to 100. So when we say close to 100, let us fix some range. Let us fix the range to be 80 to 120. Case 1. When both the numbers are less than 100. Let us consider two examples. Example 1. Let us consider both the number to be in the range between 90 to 100. So when we multiply 95 and 96, 95 since it is 5 less than 100, I shall write minus 5 on the right side. And since 96 is 4 less than 100, I shall write minus 4 on the right side. And minus 5 into minus 4 will give me 20, and 20 is the last two digits of my final answer. Now, regarding the first two digits of the final answer, I shall subtract 4 from 95. That means 4 from the left hand side top value, or 5 from 96, or rather 5 from the left hand side bottom value. Both will give me the same result. So 9120 is my required answer. Hope this is quite easier than the normal method. Now let us consider example 2. When both the numbers are in between the range from 80 to 90. So let me consider 84 and 83. So when I multiply 84 and 83, since 84 is 16 less than 100 and 83 is 17 less than 100, I shall write both of them respectively on the right hand side, minus 16 and minus 17. Now I have to pick only two digits. So I have to multiply minus 16 into minus 17 first. So the easier way would be, since I know the value of 15 square, so 16 can be written as 15 plus 1 and 17 can be written as 15 plus 2. So it's in the format of x plus a into x plus b, which is nothing but x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. That means 15 square will give me 225, and then 2 plus 1 times 15, that is 45. So 225 plus 45 will give me 270, plus 2 into 1 will give 2. So 272. So 15 into 16 is nothing but 272. So I shall write only the last two digits of 272. 72 is my last two digits of the final answer. Now the first two of the 272 is being carry forwarded. So in order to get the first two digits of the final answer, I follow the same method. Subtract 17 from the left hand side top value, or subtract 16 from the left hand side bottom value. So both will give me the same result. 84 minus 17 or 83 minus 16, both of which will give me the same result, which is nothing but 67. And with that 67, I have to add the 2 which was carry forwarded. So 67 plus 2 will give me 69. So 6972 is my required answer. Now case 2. When both numbers are greater than 100. In example 1, I consider both the numbers to be in the range between 100 to 110. So let me consider 105 and 107. Since 105 is 5 greater than 100, I am putting just plus 5, and 107 is 7 greater than 100, I am writing it as plus 7, and 5 into 7 will give me 35. So 35 is the last two digits of my final answer. And adding 105 to 7 or 107 to 5, in either way I am getting 112. So 11235 is my required final answer. So I hope this will be quite easier than the normal method. Now let us go to example 2. Multiplying 115 and 113. 115 is 15 more than 100 and 113 is 13 more than 100. As we are already obvious regarding the 15 square we know is 225. So 13 times 15 will be just 30 less than that, which will give us a value of 195. In that 195, I am freezing the last two digits as 95, and 1 I am taking it as a carry forward. Now adding 115 to 13 or 113 to 15, both of which will give me the same result, which is 128, and with that 128 I have to add the 1 which was carry forwarded, which will give me 129. So 12995 is my required answer. Now we shall see case 3, when one number is greater than 100 and the other number is less than 100. Example 1. We shall consider an example 1 in which the first number is between the range of 100 to 110 and the second number is in between the range from 90 to 100. So 104 into 93. And since 104 is 4 greater than 100, I am writing plus 4 on the right side. And since 93 is 7 less than 100, I am writing minus 7 on the right side. And 4 into minus 7 will give me a negative value which is minus 28. So now what I am doing it, the first two digits I am writing it as 00. And regarding the first two digits, 104 minus 4 or 93 plus 4, either of which will give me the same value, which is 97. So I am writing 9700, and the 28 which I got by multiplying plus 4 and minus 7, I am subtracting from 9700, which will give me the final required answer. So 9672 is my final required answer. I am considering example 2. The first number is between the range from 110 to 120. The second number is between the range from 80 to 90. So let me consider 115 into 81. Since 115 is 15 more than 100, I am writing it as plus 15. And 81 is 19 less than 100, I am writing it as minus 19. 15 times minus 19 will give, since I know that 15 times 20 is 300, and I have to subtract one more 15 from that, so which gives me a value of 285. So I have to subtract 285. So as usual, I am putting in the first row the last two digits as 00. Regarding the first two digits, I subtract 19 from 115, or I shall add 15 to 81, both of which will give me the same result, which is 96. So in the first row I am getting a value of 9600. Now when I subtract 285 from 9600, I am getting a value of 9315, which is my final required answer. Hope this method will be quite easier and it would be beneficial both for school students and for students who are writing the competitive exams. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.